Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation (Cjfd) today asserted that the center's move to conduct census in Manipur at this unstable juncture is suspicious and could erase the Meitei community. The organization warned that if census is conducted under the present situation, people of Manipur will come out on the streets to protest. The statement was made during a public meeting held at Uripok Sorbon Tingel Haurongbom Lekai, jointly organized by Cjfd along with Progressive Youth Organization and Women Welfare Association as part of its continuing campaign on fair delimitation and census. Speaking on the occasion, Cjfd Finance Secretary Sunil Karam said that MLAs and political parties of the state must clearly state their stand on census during the upcoming budget session of the parliament, where allocation of funds for the census will be deliberated. He maintained that holding a census in Manipur at present is inadvisable and urged authorities to first conduct National Register of Citizens (NRC) before any census exercises. Sunil Karam alleged that the governor-led PR government has ignored repeated memorandums submitted by the organization on the issue. He further stressed the need for a popular government in the state that can provide assurance through a cabinet decision, stating that only a responsible government can address public concerns and protect indigenous interests.
Overall performance there, mother, cabinet the way for Gana, Osi Kolimova, Mamaka, such a Nabaya, National Highway Hande, and Arsinto Kadoke, other Manwaka, Census, Tautinamito Kado, La Rosanu, Government of India, CM cabinet to Target, Census, Adokimati Lina, Miam, Laukadra, Miam, Nami Tokara, Tautusia, Amakani. Later Hadra. और पार न लेवोगे और पार न कोई जमीन नहीं है बुद्धि या आपको खावे तो उसकी यारों है इसने परंतु अगर की सजेस्ट फली तो भी आपको नते अदना अगर की लाभ तो काम को में डिफेंस ला पार्लियामेंट सेशन भंग तो नहीं अगर मणिपुर का मणिपुर लेगा पॉलिटिकल पार्टी अगर मणिपुर लेगा एमएलए मापुन गवर्नमेंट लेगा बेसिक शिक्षा एक चावल तो दरकना अगर अतोप पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सिंह पार्लियामेंट का मागी थोड़ा तो लोरा करना पार्लियामेंट को खलला करना मणिपुर की बड़ी जो पीपल से कानून ना वो बना तो नहीं है बच्चे आपको की कैंपेन पर ध्यान देने की सिर्फ मैं ये आप भी सोच रही